Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the November 2021 Doubleshot kit. So the Doubleshot kit is the smaller of our kits. It includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So you'll have everything you need to start creating. You'll also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you the cutting and assembly instructions to their layouts, as well as a full color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create right along with our design team. There's always lots of inspiration on the Facebook group and the blog, so be sure to join us. So let's dig in and take a closer look at both of these kits. I know you're going to enjoy them as much as I am. So our first collection is Friendship Through the Years from Photo Play Paper, and this is a gorgeous collection documenting all of your friendships, and there is stuff in here that you could scrapbook just about anything. But you're going to start with 2 sheets of vanilla cardstock and 1 sheet of pomegranate cardstock. Then there's a beautiful floral paper. This paper is called Together. The back gives you 4 extra 6x6 prints in black and white. So that's a lot of fun. This paper, called Documented, is a small floral print on that rusty red. And the back are all of these fun little frames. So this would be a great paper on its own, or fussy cut these for embellishments. You could fussy cut the frames and also fussy cut some of the images out of the frames. Love all the cameras. I know most of us love cameras in our collections. Some of the quotes are: best friends make the good times better and the hard times easier. Here's to the nights that turned into mornings with the friends that turned into family. It's the little memories that will last a lifetime. Just so many positive, great quotes to document friendship and family. Then our last paper here is So Lucky, which is this beautiful turquoise wood grain. And the back are 3x4 cut-aparts, again with positive sayings. I'm going to need 2 sheets of this because I definitely need that wood grain, but these would make awesome card fronts. So lots of people want to ride with you in the limo. What you want is someone who will take the bus with you when the limo breaks down. That is so perfect for friendship. Find your tribe, love them hard. Just call me when you need a friend. The greatest healing therapy is friendship and love. So I am in love with this collection. Those beautiful colors, so rich. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So there are a couple of border strips. These are a black with white polka dot, and it's a doily. Let me see if I can kind of pull that up so you can see the detail of it, and then the centers will pop out. So really pretty. And then a red leaf pattern that's just a straight strip. These will punch apart, or pull apart, so each one's individual, where you could point down to a photo. This would also be cute to leave it as a strip and use it as a border and document like on a double page layout or something. So many options for those. Beautiful icons. Has this marquee light board like Heidi Swaps is. I love that. Some big titles: Girl Squad, Chic Chick. Has the girls here. You Can Count on Me. More of those cameras. So that is our Friendship Through the Years from Photo Play Paper. Our next collection is Homegrown from Simple Stories. This collection is all about homegrown. It has all of the vegetables and the fruits and just that homey feel kind of on the farm. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of denim. And then this paper here, this is called Feed and Seed, and it has all the little seed packets. Love these. This paper is great. Cut apart those to tuck in for embellishments. There is so much that you can do with this paper. The back is this awesome ledger. It says Greener Pastures Farmers Market. So I'm definitely going to need to pick up another one of these because I want to embellish, but I always love my ledgers. This one is called Journal Elements. So it has some that are 3x4, some smaller ones, some that are just a little bit longer. So I always love that. I love this one here that has kind of like a library card detail to it. A lot of fun for your journaling. The back is this beautiful kind of wildflower print on the blue. This one called Farmer's Market has all of the canning jars with the fruits and vegetables on the shelves. And the back is a red gingham plaid. So definitely screams farm, country, and to me, family and grandma's house. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a fifth a pack of some chipboard pieces. So these here are the ones that I received. They will vary among the kits. You're also going to get a fifth a pack of the journal bits and pieces. So they will vary, but this right here is all of the journal bits. This one, the little haystack's perfect for journaling. Love the sunflower. You're also going to receive some of the foam stickers. So these are great for titles. You're going to get some enamel dots, and you're also going to get 3 tags. So these are from the pattern paper that Simple Stories does. And I love these because they always do them kind of plain on the back side with a print on the top. But then the other side gives you more of the themes that you see in here. So you are extra special, hugs and kisses. So lots of options for embellishing with that. So that is Simple Stories Homegrown. One more look at your Doubleshot kit for this month. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group for the challenges and win some prizes. Share what you're creating. Check out all the other kits available in the scrap room, and there are also individual items that you can add to have shipped right along with them. So check out the entire store. And we want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.